Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Tonkeeper to Bybit. So let's get started. So here we are in Bybit, and from here, what we're going to need to do is we are going to deposit our crypto here from Tonkeeper. So we're going to tap on assets on the bottom right, and from here, tap on deposit, and then from here, tap on deposit crypto. And now you want to select the crypto that you want to deposit. So in this tutorial, we'll just be using USDT and tap on USDT right here. So Tether USD. And from here, you want to tap on TON. So this would be your chain type. So tap on TON or TON right there. And now you have your QR right here for receiving the crypto right here. And then you would have the address and then the tag right here. So what you would need to do is now you want to go back into Tonkeeper. And then from here, you want to go tap on receive. And now from here, you can see this QR right here, but we want to send from Tonkeeper to Bybit. So what we need to do is simply go to the USDT crypto that we have right here at the bottom. So tap on that, and then from here, tap on send. And now we would need the address name and the comment. So we're going to go back here into Bybit. And from here, tap on the address, copy that. And then from here, we are going to paste it here and allow. And from here in the comment section, the one that we will be inputting there would be the tag. So you want to tap on the copy button. So copy the tag and just paste the tag here in the required comment right there. Allow paste. And from there, you now continue right here and then put the amount of USDT or the crypto that you are currently choosing. So just put the amount. So let's say, for example, 50. And then from there, you can now tap on continue. But in my case, I wouldn't be able to because I don't have funds here in this account because this is just for a tutorial. But this is basically on how you can do it, on how you can transfer money from Tonkeeper to Bybit. All you have to do is continue with the process right here. And it should tell you about the summary of the transaction and then the gas fees and so on right there. And yeah, just proceed to the transaction. And all it takes now will be just a few taps and then you should be all good. And that is basically how you transfer money from Tonkeeper to Bybit.